The fear of public speaking is deep-rooted and widespread. Common wisdom has been to practice in front of a mirror. Well, that mirror is being replaced by the virtual reality screen. Everyone has something meaningful to say, and our goal at Ovation is to give people the confidence to say it. One of the things we've always struggled with is when are they ready to translate from the virtual world to the real world? Omnicept, it provides us with this extra layer of information to make sure that our software is actually taking their training to the next level. With Omnicept, you can see all sorts of different analytics that are provided. The user can go through our analytics menu and they can see things like how their heart rate changed over time throughout the course of their practice speech, how their cognitive load changed over time. These metrics in combination finally give us the confidence to tell these users, you're ready. You're ready for the real world with this speech that you've been working so hard on. Integrating the Omnicept SDK into Ovation was incredibly easy. They have a developer portal that helps you get the SDK fully implemented. The time it took between when we first started the process of integrating the SDK and receiving the sensor data was less than 15 minutes. HP is iterating on their technology and their hardware at an incredible pace. They're adding all sorts of different features that us as developers really, really want and can take advantage of. And I think once customers get their hands on the hardware and the software that takes advantage of the new features in that hardware, they are going to see that virtual reality has arrived and is ready to fully deploy within their organizations.